What is data aggregation in Pandas Python? Imagine you have a big pile of data about sales, customers, or products. It can be overwhelming to look at every single piece of information. That is where data aggregation comes in. It helps you turn a large amount of data into simple summaries. Think of it like taking a huge list and finding the total, average, or smallest value for different groups. In Pandas, a popular Python library for data analysis, data aggregation is mainly done using the groupby method. This method splits your data into smaller groups based on one or more columns. For example, you might group sales data by region or by product category. Once the data is split into groups, you can apply functions like sum, mean, or count to each group separately. Let's say you have a table with sales data that includes columns for region, product, and sales amount. If you want to see the total sales for each region, you would group by the region column and then sum the sales amounts. This gives you a new table with each region and its total sales. You can also do more complex things, like calculating the average sales per product within each region. Pandas makes aggregation flexible and easy. You can use built-in functions like sum, mean, min, max, count, and median. You can also apply multiple functions at once using the aggregate, or methods. For example, you could get the total and average sales for each group in one go. If you want to be more specific, you can pass a dictionary to tell Pandas which functions to apply to which columns. Sometimes, you might want to create your own custom aggregation function. Pandas allows this as well. You can write a small function that calculates something unique for your data and then use it with the aggregation methods. Data aggregation is a key step in data wrangling. It helps reduce the complexity of large datasets and makes it easier to analyze or visualize important trends. Whether you are calculating totals, averages, or other summaries, aggregation helps you see the bigger picture quickly. In summary, data aggregation in Pandas Python involves grouping data based on certain columns and then applying functions to summarize that data. It is a powerful tool for turning detailed data into meaningful summaries that support decision-making and insights.